Hello, welcome to my channel again. Let me apologize for the delay in bringing this series. It was as a result of circumstances beyond my reach. So without much ado, let us jump into this. So first of all, we're going to create our GitHub repo and then set up the Node the JS project. The repo have already been set up. It's just probably going to github.com, creating an account, and then probably then get a repo if you're new to using GitHub or any source control management tool, like say maybe GitHub or Bitbucket or anyone, or GitLab, anyone you're comfortable using. So the repo is created. Now the next thing we need to do is to be able to create our project folder. So what we'll do to do that, we will make a del. This is a pure Linux command, make a del. So we call it GitHub workflow. We will need to cd into the new created folder. Yes, so to get this repo to sync with our local project, we need to clone this project. The other ways you can use, but I think this is easiest to use. So we get this URL, so we go back to our project, and then we do git clone, then with the URL, then we want it to be listed in this folder. We use a period, then the project is cloned. So what we'll now do is we will now need to use VS Code. So first of all, let us see that the repo is in sync with our GitHub. So as you can see, the remote is synced with the local, and then the Git is already initialized because we cloned it. So doing that, we can just use this code or period to open the project in VS Code. This is a project in VS Code. So what we need to do is to probably, before we could okay, let me say, let's initialize this app. Let's initialize this app with npm. So we do npm init. This will get us the project initialized, and then we can now start adding packages. So first of all, since we just added a new file, what we could do is to add this to our repo, do a commit to commit it, let's clear this out. So we do git commit, then we say setting up GitHub workflow for mocha test. So we do that. So we can now do git. First of all, let's check the branch we are, because we clone this project, so we are main. That's good. So what we do is now we need to push this to the GitHub repo. So we do git push origin main, and then we do this. It's pushed to the Git repo, and then we can now attest to that by this. So I think that's it. So the GitHub is set up. So the next thing we need to do is to start installing dependencies. Some of the dependencies we might be needing is we will need okay, we'll just say npm install. We'll be needing Express to set up a simple Node.js server. We'll be needing Mocha, yeah, and then we'll be needing Kai. I think these are the libraries you might just need. It just is going to be a simple Node.js server with it may be 1 or 2 endpoints. So we say to enter. So this will get us the packages that we will need. So while that is installing, let us we need to add a Git Ignore file, so that we don't push the node model to GitHub. That will be too heavy. So I hope hopefully this doesn't take time, but that is all about it. So let's just give it time to finish up. Okay, I want this video to be as short as possible, so if it doesn't round up before I don't want it to pass 5 or 7 minutes, I might just need to add it. Okay, looks like we are all good. So we are good. We have, okay, this have to be X. That is good. So since we have this, we need to just to do another add it or to the local do a commit to commit what we did, install the dependencies, and then we just need to do a git push. Yeah, git push origin main. Good. So that is all for this video. I hope this was as simple as enough. So we are supposed to even this guy was supposed to we're not supposed to add this to the repo, but it's okay, it's fine. So at least, okay, this is good. So we could stop this video here, and then the next one will be, we need to now we have set up the design, so we need to now create the Node.js server with a single endpoint. Okay guys,